Hey guys, it's Will Rich. How are you doing today? Hopefully your Monday's doing well. And we just started the day off. What a great day as APLD has jumped 10% once again this morning. I just started the day off receiving an Instagram DM this morning from, who was it? It was Jason. Jason Nation came in. He said $10,000 he made on APLX today. Thanks, Will, he says. And then we're also talking about some natural gas generators there. Interesting stuff. But hey, congratulations, Jason. So when it comes down to APLD, APLX here is up 21%, while APLD is up about 10% today, as APLX is the 2x of APLD. Now, if we were to take a look over here, oh, we got some new Stockmate messages starting to cook up as we're adding in Stockmate into Prophecy app. That's exciting. So if I search up APLD, take a look at what we got going. First, you got the next projections looking pretty bullish into the next 4 hours. We saw it this morning looking bullish, and there was some volatility. Rock was interesting, but then I was using some of our model tracking, or which one was it? Let's see where we were. Here we are. I got to rename this. The multi-model view gives us all of the best AI models in one. So if you're trying to get a clear picture of what Grok has to say and what Claude has to say and everything else, you can see all the projections right here. And so we have all the projections here. If I wanted to see the next 4 hours or the next week, you could see the volatility, some of the outlooks. Most models projecting pretty bullish on APLD right now. Some a little bit skewed bullish than they should be maybe, but look at that. Some of the targets here, if I were to click into, Grok here, projecting as high as 52% gain into August. That's like 6 months from now. If we go into the next year, as high as 95% potential gain projections from Grok. Now Gemini was a little less bullish. Claude was the least bullish at just 35% annually. But what's interesting is as we see some of the near-term moves, it's not just chance that they've gone up. They've got bigger investments from BlackRock and from NVIDIA, and we see some of these projections roll in. They've had a tremendous time recovering here, about 100% from the dip that they had down to $44. But just because APLD stock is surging right now doesn't mean that things can't change. Right now, they came in with more revenue in the last quarter than we've ever seen, 126 million. Now, hopefully you guys are okay. You might hear in the background there's a noise that's going like ding ding every few minutes. It's just extremely strong heavy duty zipper on something that is being washed. So hopefully you guys are fine with that. It's actually calming if you know what it is, right? So revenue 126 million in the last quarter, but they still had negative net income, which means they still basically expended about 140 million. However, when they've grown in revenue 250%, they have also increased their balance sheet to $5.2 billion. Now, the balance sheet getting up to 5.2 billion means that they're gearing up for something. They have over now $2 billion in equity. They're doing 100 million a quarter in revenue. What they're gearing up for is the new expansion of data centers. We saw them just break ground on January 22nd on their new Delta Forge AI factory. That's a 430 megawatt AI factory. If you were to look at where they're building, they also signed a recent $11 billion deal with CoreWeave and then another $5 billion. They got about $16 billion in AI factory constructions. They construct them and get them up and running. And if you take a look at some of the projections, again, what's justifying them? They're growing, but it's not just that they're growing. It's that they've had partnerships here with Super Microcomputer, with NVIDIA and Dell and Intel and Hewlett Packard that is fueling their growth. So this is from a fundamental perspective, they have a tremendous growth opportunity, and they're seeing the big tech back them and invest in them. And then from a market perspective, the data center market capex, meaning more spending on AI, is actually what drove some AI stocks down last week, because they were saying, wow, the margins are going to go down. But even though the margins go down, other companies that are going to be paid by big tech to make that long-term growth go up and are the reason that big tech are spending more will benefit greatly. And some of those companies are companies in this data center market, or in the tech market in general, or the semiconductor market, or the robotics market, or the space tech market, even for space tech like Starlink, things like that. Or quantum is being seen as solution oriented for 5, 10, 15 years from now, but still hasn't seen as much market translation and value immediately. From a commercial perspective, they have a lot of partnerships, but they haven't seen the full materialization of the value. So data centers are seeing the materialization of that value. That's the partial reason. But then also you have them building on top of just building data centers, building them in cold places with liquid cooling so that they don't use so much energy. And energy efficient wind, solar, things like that are one factor, but they also build them in places like North Dakota, which we can check the weather right now. I don't know what it is. I mean, let's see what it is in North Dakota today. Let's see what it says. You got the weather today is 38 degrees. That is pretty chilly. Feels like 31 degrees. That is pretty chilly. Let's see. What about, let's see what it's like in California here today. 49. Pretty nice. It's going to get up. That's the lowest we've had in a little bit here in California. But look at that. That 31 degrees is making a difference in the data center heating and cooling. And so you're not spending as much money. They're not spending as much money to keep them up and running. Now, what do we got for APLD? They're holding at $34 a share. We talked about this morning. Again, we just wrapped up our live trading session this morning. We got TSSI in the looks, which is another company we just looked for an entry on this morning. We've had long-term positions on APLD and been following them since $3 a share. As we see them run from $3 a share to now up to 42 and back down to 36, that's their next target. It's going to be $42 a share, that resistance up there. So if we do see them make this move, once again, we'll be watching to see if an opportunity presents itself. About 14% gain potential. They're still overbought at the moment. Even possibly, I don't know, on Prophecy AI, I did see some short-term volatility on the 1 hour, 4 hour, things like that. But the longer-term perspectives looking really bullish. You could see, some of the Claude projecting some negative here. Guys, how about this multi-model where you can view all the different AIs at once? Just wrapped this up last night. Super excited to have it out for all of our Prophecy users. If you want to get your hands on Prophecy AI, use the best AIs in the world paired with the best data and analysis that we use, along with the exact analysis frameworks that I use to analyze the markets, the technicals, the fundamentals, and given to the best models in the world. Then you can go grab access once again in the first link below to go get the machine for the entire year. You get first access and you get our daily live trading as a bonus in the second link below. If you guys do want to just tune on into our daily live trading, we do have the space tech offer. We'd love to see you there at market open. If you'd like to watch my entries, watch my exits, see how we make profitable trades consistently, it's going to be the second link below. If I earned your thumbs up, hit the like button. Do consider subscribing. Let me know your thoughts down below on APLX or APLD or the data center market, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.